Hey YouTubers, so hi, my name is Darci, and this is going to be like my first real video of doing my makeup for you guys. I did do a video of my unboxing my new ring light. I will be putting that up in like a day or two. I just gotta, upload it and all that. So yeah, if you want to get this look, just keep watching. I am gonna put all the everything I use. I'm gonna put in the description box below. So you will know everything I used in this video, and you can give it a try if you like. But yeah, like I said, if you want to see this look, keep watching. Alright? And don't forget, subscribe to my channel. Click the subscribe button below, and click on the bell for notifications from me. And any video you want to see from me, just put it in the comments below. Any requests, I am definitely going to do it. Whatever type of video you want, just let me know, alright? Any tutorials, how-tos, DIYs, whatever it is, I am down to do it. Alright? This is probably just going to be a little get ready with me because, like I said, I'm going to work. Alright? So if you want to see more, just keep watching. Alright? Alright, so we're going to get into this. My face is already moisturized. I'm going to go in with my primer now because I already, scrubbed my face and got my moisturizer going. So now we're going to go in with the Smashbox Photo Finish Smooth and Blur. I don't know if you can see that, but yeah. So normally I put it on the back of my hands like that. It's a silicone-based formula. I use a brush. You can use your hands if you want, but personally your hands are dirty. You're touching like the table, you're touching everything. So you want to use a brush. It's more sanitizing. Put it that way. So I'm gonna go in with my primer. This brush is just this one I'm using right now for the primer. This is from Emax Design. I got it off of Amazon. I got a 14 brush set. It's about like it's just like eye brushes and like stuff like this. I got it for $9.99. So far so good. I like it. It's not bad. I'll put the link in the description box below if you want. To get these brushes, they're not bad. I mean, I'll be using a couple of them in this video for my eyes if I do eyeshadow. I don't think so because this is going to be a quick look. I am going to work and I'm going to work overnight tonight. Like I'm doing like a little quick shift, 11 to 3, which isn't bad. So I'm not going to do anything too crazy because I'm going to work. So it's not going to be like crazy. I probably won't even do eyeshadow. Just like I said, quick work look. I'm going to be going, now how I do my foundation, I put it on this tin right here. I just, put some, right on there, that's it. So I'm going to go in with my Milani 2-in-1 Conceal and Perfect foundation. I got the color in 00A Porcelain. So I'm just going to put some on the thing like this. Now this is very thick, I will say that. Alright, now I'm going to dot all over my face. Now this foundation claims to be medium to full coverage, lightweight, oil-free formula, long-wear, water resistant, and sweat-proof. That's good for the summer, sweat-proof. So, yeah, I just used this probably one time already. And let me tell you guys, I love it. I can't tell you guys, a good answer yet because I just used it once. This is going to be my second time using it. So, I mean, so far, I love it. It was great. I didn't wear it long. I probably wore it for like a couple hours because I didn't go out very long that day at work. So, I can't really tell you how long it lasts. So now I'm going to go in with my Pro Conceal Orange Corrector. I'm going to go under my eyes because we got these bags going on. Now you don't want to put too much because this is like really orange, so you don't want to go too much and have your face like and not blend in with the concealer because that's what ultimately your goal is. You gotta have it going with the concealer. So I just want to get it a little bit under your eyes. Now, as I do this, I'm not squeezing anymore. Basically, on this side, I'm just using what I used over here pretty much. And I'll go back over here, wipe it in more, and then do it again here. Because you don't want to go in so deep that it won't blend it. Like, look, that is orange, okay? So you need to make sure you don't put too much and it's not too thick, because it will not blend it with your concealer. Now, me personally, when I'm done with this, I never showed you guys with my fingers, but because it's so orange, I'll go like this with my fingers and wipe it in a little bit, like smudge it in a little bit. And now I'm going to be going in with, it's really orange, you guys, it's really orange. Now I'm going to go in with my NYX HD Studio Photogenics Concealer. Sorry, guys, you guys see that? NYX. This is in the color Porcelain as well. And dab a little bit on the, like that. We're going to go in with our damp beauty blender. Well, I'm sorry, Real Techniques. And we're going to blend that in. Now I'm using my pointy part right here around my eyebrows because I don't want to get my concealer all over my eyebrows. Alright. Now I'm going to brush that off. Okay. Now we're gonna go. I'm using the Ruby Kiss large powder brush by Kiss. Okay. Not bad. I actually really like this. Now I'm gonna be going in with the Milani pressed powder and the color Fear. Actually, this is a shine proof powder. I'm sorry, it's still pressed powder. It's shine proof powder. It's skin stays shine free, comfortable feel, buildable coverage, mattifying, bamboo powder, absorbs oil, lily extract, tightens the lock of pores. Not bad, right? Alright. Let's go in with that. Like I said, I got the color Fear. You're gonna want to tap off the excess. I'm gonna go in with the Milani Make It Last setting spray, Prime Correct and Set. Okay. So today I'm going to be using a couple new products. I'm going to be using the NYX Cream Highlight and Contour Palette in the color Light. Alright. And then I have the powder to match that. It's the Face Sculpting Palette in the color Fear. Well, this one's light, this one's Fear. I mean, a little bit. They're gonna go. I'm gonna use them together. I'm gonna use this as a cream and that as the powder to go over that. And then we do have our bronzer, Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. So excited! Can't wait to use this. Yes. Took me forever to find that. Let me tell you guys. When I say forever, I mean forever, because everybody wants the bronzer color. I was gonna get the light bronzer color, but then I looked into it. I did my homework, and supposedly it's not good for you because it's really light. And I thought it would be good for me because I'm very light skinned. No. Nope. So I got the regular bronzer color. And it worked good for me. So now I'm going to go in with my, I already went into my contour color, but now I'm going to go in with my e.l.f. brush, This is a sculpting brush. It's the number 104. The sculpting and contour brush. It's really nice. Can't wait to try this. So I'm going in with the cream contour. The Real Techniques Special Edition brush in the number 303 for the contour. And I'm going to go in with my next 3 steps to sculpt in the color Fear, like I said, and I'm going in with this color right here, with the contour color. We got the contour, then we got the highlight and the shimmer color. Okay. Now this is by It Cosmetics number 227 Flawless Blush Brush. Now this one, if you buy this, it comes with no, it comes with anything. If you buy this, it goes to breast cancer donation, so that's good. So I'm gonna go in with the NYX Ombre Blush in the color Mauve Me. Now I'm just gonna swirl it around, tap it, apples on my cheek. That's it. A little bit, just a little bit. I don't want so much. Just the apples on your cheeks. And that's it. Make it a little rosy pink. That's all. And you just do that pretty much until you don't see any more blush on your brush, which I do. See? You see my blush? Going a little bit. Ooh, we got bronzed up. Alright. So that was the NYX Ombre Blush. We're almost done, guys. Alright. So now that we got the powders all done, I'm going to spray again. Don't worry, this time I'm not going to put too much. I'm going to spray again. There we go. Let that sit, and then major. I'm just gonna pour something really light, nude color. I'm not gonna do a lip liner either because, like I said, this is the work. So I'm gonna go in with my Milani more liquid lipstick in the color Adorable. Excuse me. Ladies and gentlemen, whoever's watching, we should have a look. That's how it looks. And we are done. So yeah, spray one more time. Okay, we are done. Yay! So like I said, this is just like a simple work look. We got the, you know, like nude color on our lips. No eyeshadow because I'm going to work. I don't really need a bunch of eyeshadow. It's got a little bit of mascara and this goes a long way. Like, look. Ta-da! So I will put everything that I use in the description in the box below. If you have any requests, anything, just put it in the comments below. Like, whatever video you want me to do, I am definitely down to do it. Just put in the request and I will do it. Please hit the subscribe button below and click on that bell for notifications from me.